Payroll parameter rates are predefined values used in payroll calculations to determine employees' pay, deductions, and benefits. Configuring these rates is essential for accurately processing payroll, particularly for statutory deductions such as housing levies and social health insurance funds. By setting correct rates for such deductions, organizations ensure that employees contribute the right amount, meeting legal and organizational requirements while avoiding payroll errors. Properly configured rates also aid in financial planning, reporting, and compliance, fostering transparency and efficiency. To configure payroll parameter rates, navigate to the Human Resource module and select the Payroll Parameter panel. In the newly opened window, choose the payroll parameter you wish to configure rates for. Then, locate and select the Parameter Rates field in the top right corner. Enter the lower and upper limits to define the range for the rates. The lower limit establishes the minimum value for the rate, ensuring consistency and fairness by specifying a baseline for deductions or benefits. The upper limit sets the maximum value for the rate, ensuring deductions or benefits do not exceed permissible thresholds, protecting employees from over-deductions and ensuring compliance with legal caps. In the As field, you can select how the rate is applied, with options such as fixed amount, percentage of gross pay, or percentage of a specified value. This flexibility allows organizations to tailor deductions or benefits according to specific organizational policies or statutory requirements. For instance, a fixed amount ensures a set contribution regardless of salary, while percentage of gross pay aligns deductions with income, ensuring proportionality. Percentage of specified value allows for custom rates in scenarios like insurance funds. Enter the exact value for the rate to apply, ensuring accuracy in payroll calculations and reducing errors and discrepancies. If there is no defined cap for the rate, select the Has No Upper Limit option, which allows for open-ended deductions or benefits when a maximum value is unnecessary. After entering the necessary details for these fields, click the Add button to save the rate. Finally, go to the Employees panel to update the payroll parameters for individual employees, ensuring that the configured rates are applied accurately to their records. This process guarantees correct deductions and benefits for each employee, improving payroll accuracy and compliance while streamlining administrative efficiency.